Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up Sweatcoin app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. So once you are on the Sweatcoin app, now if you look in the top right-hand corner, you're going to notice your balance. What you're going to want to do is press onto your balance and it will take you this page. From here, tap on this option which says you are walking for crypto and a pop will appear on your screen. In this pop-up, it tells some information about converting your steps into Sweatcoin. Now, tap on this Open Wallet button to open your Sweat Wallet. So here we are in Sweat Wallet, so you can see your current balance. Now, if you look in the top right-hand corner, you earn 1 Sweatcoin, which automatically goes into your Sweat Wallet for every 5e975 steps. So this does it automatically. You don't have to manually transfer your Sweatcoin into Sweat Wallet. Basically, what's going to happen is every time you've walked 5e975 steps, you'll go in to earn 1 Sweatcoin, which will be added to your Sweat Wallet balance. So this is all automatic. Of course, when you first open up the Sweat Wallet, you're going to want to set up your wallet first of all. But once that's ready to go, you'll be able to start in Sweatcoin, and that's automatically going to be transferred into your Sweat Wallet. So that's basically how you can transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.